Hello all. We all have heard story of bamboo tree. We all have learned that in business and otherwise one need to have patience. Today I will discuss not only about Chinese bamboo tree but also an important aspect of patience and how you can grow in business and otherwise. I always say that what content you letting in matters because it feeds your brain and shape you. Get inspired by a true bamboo tree story but also introspect what I am going to say. Hear me till the end. What happened in a Chinese bamboo tree story is when you give water to its seeds in the initial 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, till 5 years doesn't comes up. You keep wondering what is happening. I'm giving everything but nothing is coming up. But what happened after 5 years? In just 5 weeks it grows to the size of 90 feet tall. Now what is happening all through the year is that they are growing their roots strong to hold a 90 feet tree. So you heard the story of a bamboo tree and you understand that in business and otherwise you need to have patience. Now in our life we have heard another statement which says that काम करो but फल की चिंता मत करो. This is a Hindi proverb which actually says that you work but don't think about the result. Now you all have heard about the story of a bamboo tree and above line in different motivational, inspirational, seminars, event, etc. But do you really think a successful professional organization or a company work like that? Kaam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. They do really work like that? Work and do not expect about the results? Instead, they measure all their action. Because once you measure your action, you will have a chance to improve yourself. Desired result versus deviation in clearly defined time frame. Now to speak about the Chinese bamboo tree, yes, it is important to work diligently and be focused and know the fact that there is no overnight success happening. One has to build the base as strong as bamboo tree. But just working year after year after year and not getting result will not likely end a story of bamboo tree for everyone. And that's why 96.3% businesses which start didn't exist after 5 years. You need to introspect why you're not getting result. You need to seek answers from experts, bring on technology, business tools, change perspective necessary. If you're working year after year after year and not getting result and not growing and struggling, and continue to work the way you are working and waiting for your bamboo tree story to happen, you are probably getting it wrong. You need to think, introspect and analyze your business from completely different angle. Do you measure your performance, your own productivity? Is it in sync with the industry you are working? If not, what steps are you taking? Continue to work the way you are working will not result in bamboo tree story of yours. Yes, you need to have patience, but hear the context in full in which I have said. That's why I always say, what content you letting in matters because it shapes you. Do share with someone you think will get benefited seeing this and getting the right message of Chinese bamboo tree. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification. Thank you.